Hey guys, it's Jessica here. I've got another quick tip just to show you how to quickly arrange a shop in a different way. So obviously when we go to our shop, we've got most recent, lowest price and highest price. And we have these 4 featured areas up here where we can set our featured images. Now, what you can actually do that a lot of people, they don't really know about this feature, is you can manually kind of reshuffle all of these listings and have it display in a custom order. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really, really easy. So make sure you're logged in, go to your shop manager. Now go across to settings, options. Now under shop options, it's just rearrange your shop, and we need to make sure this setting here is enabled. So make sure enabled is turned on. Scroll down and hit save. Now I'm going to go back to the front of my store. Now you can see over here where it says sort, we have the option of custom, which is really cool. So if you have it set to custom, then hit edit shop. This rearrange item button will now appear. So if you hit that, it allows you to go through and actually change the order of all of these, which is awesome. Beautiful. So I am now in rearrange mode. So all I have to do, I can either adjust these by changing the number on them, or I can manually just kind of shuffle them like this, which is really cool. So let's say that I want this one at the very top. And this is really good, especially if you are sort of batch uploading different types of products. As you can see, I've uploaded all these lead magnets at once and it gets a little bit repetitive. So we really wanted to make sure that for the customer, when they come to our store, it's in a nice order. Everything is relevant to what they're looking for. And it's just really easy for them to use. So definitely I recommend putting your sort of top selling products on the home page, because we get multiple product pages and obviously it appears as 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. So definitely getting those best sellers and putting them on your home page, it can make all the difference, because this page here, it's going to get the most traffic. So we really want to optimize it in every way that we can and give our listings the very best chance. So once you're done sort of rearranging it, just hit exit rearrange mode and you can see that has updated. If I hit view shop now, that is now in a custom order for me, which is much, much better. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I didn't know this function existed for quite a long time, but when I did, I found it really powerful because I was able to put those best-selling products on this homepage in the order that I really wanted them in, so that the customers really saw them all and they got as much traffic as they possibly could. So hope you enjoyed this quick Etsy tip. If you have any questions, please drop them in a comment below. I would love to answer them. If you like what you saw, this is part of a playlist. I'll include the link to the playlist here. And obviously, if you were a fan of what you saw, I put out new videos every single week. So definitely subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and I would love to see you in my community. I will see you guys soon. Bye.